Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change the profile picture on your Twitter account. And whether you're on the desktop version or the mobile app version of Twitter, it's going to be a similar process. So what you want to do is head on over to your profile page. To do this on the desktop version of Twitter, you just click on the side here where it says profile. And then once you're on your profile page, over here on the side, click where it says edit profile. And once you're in the edit profile area, go down, find your profile picture. There should be a little camera hovering over it. And what we want to do is click on this to add a new photo. And for me, I'm going to click one of my other channel logos. And whatever picture you select, it should show up in this edit media area. And you can zoom in and out on this to get the kind of cropping that you're looking for. And you can even zoom in and then kind of move things around inside this box to get the centering that you're looking for with your profile picture. And once things look good to you, go ahead and click apply. And once you're pleased with how things look, go ahead and click save in the upper right hand corner. And your new profile picture should be saved and up on your profile at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you change the profile picture on your Twitter account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.